The rejection of the orders by Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar to induct tainted legislator Miki Pacheco in the Goa cabinet is likely to have serious repercussions on political scene in the state, as leaders of both the alliance partners, Congress and NCP, preferred to go it alone in the next assembly polls.
After being denied berth by the Congress, the Banauli MLA has dared the Congress party to go alone in the next assembly polls.
If they got guts, let them propose how to be dissolved, President's rule to impose, let go for an election back again. Anyway, they've been saying we want to go alone. I am saying, I am telling my leaders, we also want to go alone.
The General Secretary of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, at whose residence the political drama unfolded, alleged that the state NCP was operating on the directives of the BJP and had no interest in strengthening the government.
And the subsequent actions of the national NCP leadership makes everyone believe that the NCP is playing into the hands of the BJP in Goa. My charge that the NCP is playing into the hands of the BJP is because their behavior and their reaction caused a little turbulence in the present government, which was not at all expected of a coalition partner to behave.
Miki further said that there was a clear mandate from his High Command to field candidates in all the 40 constituencies.
No constituency. This is my constituency, which I got my vote to cast for myself. And my party given me clear instruction that, Miki, we have to go 40 constituency. You push yourself to move around other constituencies.
Reacting to Mr. Pacheco's claims, Mr. Sardesai said that if the NCP wanted to go it alone in the next elections, then the Congress too had no problem.
NCP or anybody is talking about coalition dharma, they should first decide that they are utterances against our leadership. They are threats to field candidates everywhere in 40 constituencies. Are these utterances, is this behavior strengthening the government or is it weakening it? So we are very clear on one issue. We have the strength to run this government on our own. We have got the numbers. The NCP ministers within the present coalition are working well. There are no complaints either from their constituents or from their other coalition partner, which is the Congress.